I'm today in front of me Honor 50 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. Right there, click on the right upper corner and you can see here that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now I'll just show you how to log out from one from these accounts. So just to do that, you should click here to manage accounts on this device. And here just go to the Google section. Oh no, sorry, to this users and accounts section. Now just click here to the Google, and here as can you see we got this to this accounts, and now just we should log out from this account in our Google account settings. So for example, we'll log out from the second one. Just tap there once and here click to remove icon. Just confirm to remove this account, and as can you see in Google account settings we stay only with one account. And now just to check if we are staying in the Google application with only with one account, we'll go back here to the Gmail application. And now as can you see in application we stay also only with one account, and by this way as can you see we can log out from Gmail account on our Honor 50. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.